Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about automation in GNS3. As we know that the automation is the hot topic nowadays, and every industry is now tending towards the automation. So when it comes to automation, Ansible is the tool which is in high demand, and for server people or the engineers, the GNS3, I mean the this Ansible installation is quite easy, and we can do it either in the AWS or we can do it in the VM box or VMware, installing the server images. But for network guys, there are a few issues and there are less videos. So that is why this forced me to create this video. In this video, I'll let you know how to run the automation in GNS3. So that will be helpful for the network engineers who want to create a project or want hands-on in the automation, especially in GNS3 simulator. So for that, let me open the GNS3 without wasting time. And once I open the GNS3, this will open up with the virtual server VMware workstation. As to how the integration happens between GNS3 and virtual server, this you can view in my previous videos, and the link has already been provided. So here you would see that the GNS3 VM started, and as soon as this starts, you would see a GNS3 automation, which is the uh, mainly the image for GNS3 in workstation, VMware workstation, that will pop up automatically. You don't have to do anything because the settings have already been done. In my previous video, I have already confirmed as to how and shown you as to how you can uh, very well integrate the GNS3 with your virtual machine. So I would highly recommend you can start that series in case you have some issues installing GNS3 with VMware and integration. So now I can see this is already installed, and here I would see this is running here. And so let me cancel this because I'm not going to open any of the project here, but let me create a project actually. Okay, that's the automation outside. Let me see if automation is already there. This is already there. Okay, this is just to show you. In this video, I had already I mean in previous videos I had already shown you as to how you can install the images, the routers images in GNS3. For that, you can visit my previous videos. So for now, I would just let you know that as to how you can go ahead with the Ansible automation integration here. So for that, I can show you, let me show you there. We don't have any Ansible automation tool here or image. For that, what I'll do, I'll go to GNS3 first of all. So gns3.com you have to go. Once you go to gns3.com, here you can go to the marketplace, and from marketplace you can search a criteria in the appliances. Go to search appliances and write automation. So once you write automation here, it will automatically take you to the network automation simulator, this one. And here you need to download it from here, and you would see there is a GNS3 application that has come to my download section here. So I'll use this network automation simulation here. And so for that, I'll go to, let me go to import appliance. So once I go to import appliance, I'll select the network automation from here. I'll click OK, install it in the GNS3, which is the recommended one. The template will be available in the guest category. That is okay. Not an issue with this. Is it's successfully created. Now you would see a network automation is already there. Select the network automation from here, drag it to this location, and once you drag it, you would see that it will see fetching all the iOS details and the image details from repository. So once it pulls all the details, then it will come up with a full-fledged network automation tool. So this tool is especially for Ansible. So for the network engineers who are willing to work on automation, Ansible for networking in GNS3 can use this. So This is pulling the image. So let me pause this video by the time it pulls the image, and then I'll show you back. Okay, the network automation tool has already been installed now. So the best I can do is to make a connection between a switch which is further connected to the router, and from here, since if you see the secondary adapter for this, you would see there are two adapters in this condition. So the first adapter is for the internal communication in the VMware, and the second adapter is the netted adapter. So in order for this VMware, uh, so this you need to run in the GNS3 automation, click on OK. So here the netted cloud is there. Here if I log in, I would show you that you would see only one adapter, which is the adapter for Ethernet 0. That's inside connectivity that gives you. But the moment I click it on with net 1, it will have the secondary IP address, which will be applicable for this automation tool to get the IP address. So now let me run the appliance. So once I run the appliance, you would see that the automation tool is already here. So let me run this, double click, and you would see that this is running now. So in this video, we learned how to install automation tool in GNS3, and in another lecture, I will show you as to how you can give it the IP address from the netted IP. So that means the IP from your router, so that the automation tool should be able to ping the outer world, let's say google.com, or this is for getting the update for that automation tool. So thank you very much for viewing, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.